Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Watch GS3 and I'm gonna show you how to check the battery level on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen. You can do it by pressing the upper button. After you wake up the screen, you can check the battery level on the watch face. Some of the watch faces display this information. For example, this one, but if we open the watch face menu, there should be other ones that display the battery level. Let's see. This one does too. You can also probably customize some of the watch faces. So let's say this watch face, tap the settings icon under it. And here we can change the widget and let's select the battery. As you can see, now if we press upper button, it will be displaying the battery level. And the other way to check the battery level is to wake up the screen and open the quick panel by swiping down from the top of the screen. And here we have the battery level of our watch. And that's how you check the battery level on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.